everyone, welcome back to my channel, my cozy craft room. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and super easy stud earrings. So these are made of acrylic cabochon. I think that's what it's called. I will leave all the links down below with the measurements if you want specific sizes, but you can find all of these from Amazon. This is where I got them from. This is actually a surgical steel because I have a sensitive ears and I cannot really wear silver plated for too long, otherwise my ears would start getting itchy. And this comes with the backings already, and then you're gonna need your acrylics. These are like tiny, not super tiny, acrylic, resin, cabochons, whatever. You can also use rhinestone, like the, what do you call them? Maybe 8mm rhinestone flatbacks. I'm not using any rhinestone because again I have a sensitive ear, so I don't want the alloy touching my my ears because then it'll get itchy. So you're gonna need those. You're also gonna need a glue. You can use E6000. I'm using the B7000. I find them that they dry a lot faster than the E6000, and the smell is not as strong to me. I find the E6000 to be a lot stronger for some reason. And you're also gonna need a nail file. This is one of those that I still had back when I was doing Jamberry. I hate Jamberry. So anyways, that's all you're gonna need. Your hardware, your resins, and your nail file, and then your glue. So let's get started. So what I like to do is I like to scratch the base as well as the resin. It makes the glue stick a lot better. So I want to make 2 new ones, and I'm gonna grab it from here. Let's pick this color here. The only drawback with this mixed one though is like you can't it's not always a guarantee that you'll have like 2 colors that are the same. So it's like this lavender one, I can't find another one for it, so I'm just gonna have to change color. Let's go with this one instead. Okay, so I have that, and then for this one I want this one. I think this looks cute. Yep. Okay, so what I like to do, oh, I forgot to mention, you want alcohol swab on hand. That way you can, you can clean the hardware, and you can clean this after or before and after. It's up to you, but definitely wipe it with alcohol before you use it. And if you're selling this or giving it to other people as a present, I highly recommend you wipe it with alcohol. So I just like to rough this over here. It just makes the adhesion to adhere properly. You don't have to go too crazy, just rough it up a little bit, just like what I did with the Rubik's Cube. Before I glued the gemstones, I scratched off the surface. That way it sticks better and it will last longer. So now that we're all done, but yeah, you're just gonna grab your glue, actually let me grab the one with the fine tip, that one's a lot better. Okay. It's the same, this one just has the needle tip, that one. So you're gonna do, I like to put the glue onto the hardware. And make sure when you're using this glue, by the way, or any kind of like Gorilla Glue, E6000 and whatnot, make sure you have a good ventilation, because you don't want to be smelling the whole thing. Okay, right there in the middle. Okay. And then we're gonna do another one. It's so easy, you guys. This probably takes I don't know, 2-3 minutes to make one pair. It just takes a little bit longer since I'm making a video and talking. It takes, you know, a lot of like multitasking. Okay, and then now we're gonna do it on this part here. This is perfect for Christmas present. If you have craft fair coming up, and you want like shop filler, this one will be perfect too, because again, it takes so little time to make and it's so cute. Just try to make sure it's centered as much as possible. And then you just wait till the next day and it'll be fully dry. There you go. My bunny is awake. She's making noises right now. She wants to come out and do her binkies. So that's it. And you're done. So this is the one I made last night and they're all dry. See? And you can put this on like a small cards if you're gonna sell them or give them as presents. And it's so cute. That's it. That's all it is. Again, make sure to wipe it with alcohol before you give it to somebody, before you wear it. As soon as these are all dry, I'm gonna be wiping them, put the backing, and then put it in my jewelry box. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. I will leave all the link down below if you wanna buy them or, you know, make your own. And if you already have these materials, then that's even perfect. Might just need the hardware part. You can probably find the hardware on like your local Joann's or Michael's. I don't know which one's cheaper. Usually the one online is cheaper because they'll always have like some sort of deals. So, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to subscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to check the giveaway playlist. I have a giveaway going on right now, which will end on November 16th, which is Saturday. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.